Have you ever stopped to wonder why people have different eye colors? Why your eyes may be blue, while your friends are green, or your sisters are brown? It's a fascinating world of color, isn't it? This intrigue surrounding eye colors is nothing new. It's been a subject of curiosity for ages. The variety in eye color, from the deepest of blacks to the lightest of blues and everything in between, is all thanks to our genetics and the amount of melanin found in our eyes. Melanin, a pigment also responsible for skin and hair color, is the artist behind the canvas of our eyes. The more melanin, the darker the eyes. But it's not just about brown, blue, or green. While brown or black eyes are the most common, some rare and intriguing eye colors exist due to certain conditions or genetic mutations. So let's dive deeper into this captivating world of eye colors, shall we? Did you know that initially humans only had brown or black eyes? The blue eye color only appeared about 10,000 years ago. Fascinating, right? This is because eye color is determined by variations in a person's genes. Most of the genes associated with eye color play a role in the production, transport, or storage of a pigment called melanin. Eye color is directly related to the type and amount of melanin in your eyes, and it can change over time. The majority of people in the world, around 90%, still possess these original brown or black eyes. That's because brown is the most common and also the most dominant eye color. But human evolution and genetic mutation didn't stop there. It continued to introduce new eye colors. Despite the dominance of brown eyes, a small percentage of the population boasts other colors. About 9% have blue eyes, 2% have green eyes, and another 2% have gray eyes. Isn't the human eye a marvel of genetic diversity? While blue, green, and gray eyes are less common, they are not the rarest. Some conditions lead to even more unique eye colors. Now, let's talk about albinism. This genetic condition often results in purple or red eyes. But why is this so? It all boils down to melanin, or rather, the lack of it. Melanin is a pigment that gives color to our skin, hair, and yes, our eyes. In people with albinism, there is a deficiency or complete lack of melanin. This lack of pigmentation makes the blood vessels in the eyes more visible, giving them a purple or red hue. This is a stark contrast to the 90% of the population who have brown or black eyes due to a high concentration of melanin. Albinism and its effect on eye color is a fascinating example of how genetics plays a role in our physical appearance. Albinism, however, is not the only condition that can result in unusual eye colors. Imagine having two different colored eyes. That's the reality for less than 1% of the population who have a condition called heterochromia. Just as the name suggests, heterochromia is a fascinating condition where each eye is a different color, or there might be several colors in a single eye. Isn't it mesmerizing? It's like having your own personal rainbow, and it's all thanks to the distribution of melanin, the pigment that determines the color of your eyes, skin, and hair. It's usually harmless and can make individuals stand out in the most beautiful way. Some famous faces, like David Bowie and Mila Kunis, have made heterochromia a part of their distinctive charm. Although quite rare, heterochromia reminds us of the incredible diversity in human genetics. It's a testament to the complexity and wonder of our biological makeup. So, while eye color often seems straightforward, there's more to it than meets the eye. From brown and black eyes to blue, green, and gray, to the rare red or purple of albinism and the striking differences of heterochromia, eye color is a fascinating study in genetics. We've traveled through time, tracing back 10,000 years when the first blue eyes appeared. We've reveled in the rarity of unique eye colors, with only 9% of the population flaunting blue eyes and a mere 2% blessed with green. We've ventured into the intriguing world of albinism, where eyes glow with a red or purple hue. We've delved into the mystery of heterochromia, a condition that less than 1% of the population experiences. At the heart of it all is the interplay of genetics and melanin. It's this dynamic duo that determines whether we belong to the 90% with brown or black eyes, the 2% with gray eyes, or the select few with distinctive colors. So, the next time you look into someone's eyes, remember the science and history that helped shape the color you see.